A very important note over here is if a vector R is along the bisector of given two vectors, then R is written as lambda times of A vector upon its magnitude plus or minus B vector upon its B magnitude. See, here A be this vector and let it be B vector. And this is a vector R which bisects the A vector and B vector by theta by 2. Bisects matlab equal angle. So this can be written as lambda times of this. Lambda is nothing but a scalar quantity. Why plus or minus? Because this vector can be the opposite side like this. Okay. In that also it holds true.